So in this session also, we will discuss some outliers using some different Z score. Okay. So I'm going to run this code where we have seen basic libraries, pandas, matplotlib for matrix plot library, and then pyplot Python plot, and then plot will be there. So IC parameters, we are fixing this parameter for my figure size. Whenever I'll create the graph, I'll fix this shape over there. So we are going to use heights dataset from Kaggle. Dataset has heights and weights. Both have removed weight of the make it simple, right? So I'm going to open this link. In this link only, you will get the height weight CSV, and you will find certain values. Here you can see height, respective weight. In medical history, they are going to find the height and weight for each patient, right? This is the first application. And of course, I'll download this. Can you see on the right top, we are having this download option in KB. It will download in your local machine. Then you can take away from this local machine and you can upload here. I'm going to show heights.csv, control F, HEIGST heights, right? If you will check this heights.csv, it's having this values, right? Or somewhere else, you will find, like, let's have, let me, okay, let me show first this one. It's again showing these as value. Okay, let me upload this D. Uh, AI projects. Hmm. Home prices, business. Wait, we had statistic. We have reach engineering, outlier 2. So this is the height data set. We need to upload this. I'm going to upload, overwrite. Once I'll find this fine. Now we have gender and height. Random sample values are showing here, right? So also I can create the height over the histogram. It will show all the respective values, right? So this was 55, 60, 65, right? All the height will be shown here. So let's say I'm having bin is equal to 20. So it will create 20 bins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can see 20 bars are there. In case you will convert this bin, so when this bin literally means the group or number of bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see total bars or group. Inside this 55 to this value, how many people we have? Only few numbers. In between 65 to 70, we have large number of groups as far as this male and female gender height is concerned. Again, I had explained in the last sections also, like once we have all the data set rotating up about the mean value, which is the mean value of it, right? In so the minimum value of data is 55, maximum value is 75 something, right? Let's say I'm having this height, right? So df and then quotes HEIGST heights, it's having minimum value. Oh, heights. Oh, it's height, not height. The minimum value is 54 something. So that's the initial value of this graph. and the maximum value out of this given range is something near about 78.9 or 79, you can say. So this maximum bar will go till 78.99 or roughly I can say 79. तो इसके beyond कोई भी value नहीं जाएगी और इसके beyond 54 से value भी कोई नहीं जाएगी. This is the only reason this graph is showing all these values. Now, when as far as vertical values are concerned, we have all these quantity values 2000. So 2000 matlab numbers. How many numbers do we have? So you can see in the middle we have large number of quantity, height and weight का जो quantity है. So we have large number of scales, which is good for our this one. Can you see this bar is also showing this uh, something like this one falling normalization chart, right? So as far as normalization chart is concerned, what is the shape of normalized curve, or sometimes it is called bell curve? So I'll call it something. This kind of curve is required in my normal cases, right? So here we will have all these mean value rotating about this part, right? This mean value is rotating around this value, and here we have all these couple of minutes, right? So 98 something, 98 point percent will be values there, will be stored there, right? Google, if you go for the Google and find normal curve property, तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस में ये पूछा जाता है व्हाट्स द नॉर्मल कर्व प्रॉपर्टी. So you can see it's rotating about some values, right? And what are the other properties? You can see this is the basic formula 99.7, right? So what's this 99.7? You can see this. Oh, this wherever we have more of the values. So whenever we have more of the values, it's this range is 99.7 values. This is the first rule. Most of the values will in the entire well curve we will cover all the 99.7%. Or when we have this values below this, we have 97% values will be have this range, right? 99.7, then 90, sorry, 95. It's a 95% value will fall in this range. Then we will have this data set, this range will have, what is this range? This is 68%, right? So this will have 68% data set will have, it will rotate both the sides of mean. So this is mean, let's say mu is the mean of this value, and we will have all these value. Or if I can calculate this mean value of this height value, let's say this is HEIGST height dot mean. So you can see this bar is exactly 60.36. So यहाँ पर if I want to find this value, this location, so you will find this is something relevant to the 66.7. This bar, horizontal bar will pass through this 66.7. This is the mean value, and 68% mean value will rotate about this one. Here we have 1 sigma. What is the 1 sigma and what is the minus sigma? I am going to explain now. So sigma is what? Sigma is standard deviation. We have already studied, but I'm going to explain again, right? So standard deviation means once you have like describe, okay, once you are going to describe TF courtesy TF dot describe, for this describe function you get all these this one statistic value. So you can see this mean value is 66, already हमने calculate किया. We have total 10,000 records. Let's count. Standard deviation is 3.87. So what is mean of this standard deviation? Standard deviation means when we have 66 plus 7, so 66 plus 7 plus what's this 3.84, 3.84. What's the value of this one? Let me go here. 66.7 plus 3.84. Here would be 70.5.